Hey guys, Sean here from Random Videos. How's it going today? My day's gone pretty good, pretty quick. Well, today I'm gonna cook some tea. I'm gonna cook some deep fried chips because I wouldn't trust myself for any other cooking wear, to be honest. Well, I'm a pretty good cook, but I'm not the best in the world. I'm not like a Gordon Ramsay sort of person. Well, let's see how it goes. And I just got the deep fryer out and about to get some chips. Let's see if we got some. I really hope so too. Here we go. Boy, that's cold. Now let's put them in. Well, it might help to turn it on first. Well, while that heats up, be back shortly. Haha. What? The deep fryer's almost ready. Now let's put the chips in. Haha. I might just have to put the camera down for a quick minute. Sorry. So hungry, eh? So hungry. And now it's going to cook away, and to make sure to get them all right, do this. There we go. Now it's cooking. Yeah. Right, I just put my tea on, so hopefully it's not going to be too long, and I hope it turns out good. Well, let's see how they turned out. Hope they turned out good. Oh yeah. Look good to me. Yummy! Well, that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, subscribe to the channel, enjoy the videos, because I think everybody else does. Just me being random. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and support the channel. You have an awesome day. Peace, guys. Laters.